So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Nicola Nobile and today we are gonna do an unboxing. Something really useful, really useful. Without losing any more time, let's do it. So here we are. Let's do it. I will use cutter. So what it is a microphone which I really need, and I hope that it's gonna be really good. It is the video micro from Rode, which should be good enough. I hope that you can see it. Yeah, it focus it. So now I'm just going to fit it and then we will see the difference in audio quality. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, here we have also the adapter for the camera itself. You will see why. I show you better. Let's give me a sec. I think that it might focus it. Yes, it does. So let's take all this stuff here and let's open the micro itself. Oh, ta-da! Oh wow, it is pretty small. Oh, it's quite nice. It's fluffy. Okay. Let's be quite professional. Okay. So now guys, I'm gonna fit it and then we will see the difference in audio quality, and you let me know on the comments if it's worth it. Thank you.
Minutes later.
So guys, now I fitted the new mic and I hope that we can feel the difference in terms of audio quality. And now I should be fine in terms of video and audio quality. Just let me know on the comments below what you think about. And yeah, if you enjoyed my videos, give a like and subscribe it to my channel and share it. Thank you. Have a great day.